Delhi NCR, strong tremors have been felt. Viewers, this is big news that's coming in at this point. Massive earthquake. We're still awaiting details of what exactly was the measure on the Richter scale. But right now, these are the very details we are getting. Strong tremors felt in Delhi NCR. Massive earthquake hits Delhi NCR, the national capital at this point. Latest details that we are picking up. This is breaking news, viewers, that we bring to you. We will take you through the details of what exactly was the epicenter at this point. But these are the first details that we are picking up. Strong tremors have been felt in Delhi NCR. A major earthquake in Delhi NCR at this given point. We will be joined by our colleague Aishwarya Paliwal, who is in fact joining us at this point on the broadcast. Aishwarya, big, massive earthquake that we are hearing of, strong tremors having been felt in the national capital. Please bring us more details that we're picking up at this point.
Well, we have seen it's not just Delhi, the entire NCR region, in fact, has felt this. This is exactly what we understand at the moment. The epicenter is something that we will get to know in just a couple of minutes from now. From what we are understanding, the tremors were felt not just Delhi, the entire Delhi NCR region, which means they were felt in Gurgaon, they were felt in Noida, Greater Noida too. So we are just trying to understand the Richter scale in just a couple of minutes. Not just the aftershocks, but the entire earthquake lasted a couple of minutes. That's the information that we have at the moment.
Yeah, if we just take a look at a few months back, there was another such big earthquake that had hit Delhi NCR. In fact, that was even accompanied by a strange loud sound, which had really alerted the people here. It was somewhere around 5 in the morning, and now we see tremors being felt again and strong tremors being felt again. Is this implying a disturbing pattern at this given point of seismic activity in the national capital, would you say?
Well, definitely, and we also understand that the entire Delhi NCR region, when we speak about the activities that take place, all those things actually over the past many years, those changes have actually been felt, and that's the reason why we are seeing, months after months, these kind of aftershocks, these kind of shocks taking place. If you also remember, in the national capital, you don't see a lot of high rises. The major reason for that is the fact that this entire zone is in the seismic zone. That's the reason why we see these tremors being felt. The good thing that we can tell you at the moment is that there were no aftershocks, because usually after an earthquake, aftershocks are also felt. So this lasted for a couple of minutes. We are still trying to understand on the Richter scale what was the magnitude of the earthquake. No aftershocks at the moment from what we are understanding. Just the earthquake lasted maybe a couple of minutes, 1 to 2 minutes. That's what we are understanding. And it's not just in the national capital, but it also is in the entire Delhi NCR region.
The tremors were quite strong, definitely, Aishwarya. We could also feel it here. In fact, we have Milan Sharma joining us from Delhi at this point. Milan, take us through the details, where you are exactly and what were the tremors like in the national capital.
Well, I'm standing at Mathura Road at the moment, and of course the tremors were at least 10 seconds long, and I was sitting in the car and the entire car was shaking because of the tremors. Definitely this is an open area, the entire road is open out here, but the tremors were so strong, and the epicenter seems to be near Gurugram's Rohtak region in Haryana. And the information that we are getting right now is it was at least about 4.1 on the Richter scale. So certainly the tremors, the epicenter was very close to the Delhi region. And when I was sitting in the car, just waiting for my next assignment on live, the car was moving, and it was a static car. So I'm sure moving vehicles may not have felt it, but when your car was static, it moved because of the tremors which were felt. Very strong tremors, at least 10-second long tremors were being felt. And certainly people do seem to be very cautious when earthquakes happen. We are in zone 4, seismic zone 4 of the earthquake seismic zones, and it's definitely a hazard if people are in areas that could pose a problem. Certainly open areas are not much of a problem. Of course, bridges, etc., under bridges could be a problem, but very strong tremors there, and the epicenter, as we are getting, perhaps happens to be in the Haryana near Gurugram region there. Back to you in the studio.